Today we're at Sydney MotorSport Park, Eastern Creek, where there's been over 350 square metres of LED displays installed around the track. In terms of sporting displays in Australia, it's definitely the largest. If you compare it to something like the MCG in Melbourne, they have a 25-metre run of LED displays. The longest display here above the pit lane, which you can see behind me, is over 4 times that length. It's actually the biggest display of this type of technology in the Southern Hemisphere. Yeah, so around the Motorsport Park there's a variety of different installations, from everything from the entrance gate signage, which directs people into the track, the over pit signage, which is very high profile, can be seen from the grandstand, as well as the over racetrack signage. So there's a variety of different locations where the signage is being used to add to and enhance the enjoyment of visitors to the track. So these displays are very high brightness LED displays. So the brightness of the displays are up to 20 times greater than your average TV in your home. They're designed to be weatherproof and can withstand quite high temperatures. But one of the greatest benefits of these displays is that they can adjust the brightness depending on ambient light. So during the day they can be turned up and made very bright, and at night time they can be turned down to suit the conditions.
The multi-million-dollar technology transformation is part of a 10-year partnership with PMY. PMY has invested $4 million into new and exciting in-venue digital experiences. This project complements the recent multi-million-dollar investment into the park by the New South Wales Government. It aims to transform the park to become the Silverstone of the Southern Hemisphere. LG Electronics are the official consumer electronics partner and have supplied the LED displays required for the project.